When I was filling up the water jugs, I couldn't help but notice that the sky was getting darker, and this was all smoke, coming from some of the larger fires in this area. So Owen and I decided that it was time to do some other chores. We geared up the Ranger and off we went. I forgot 3 fly masks and 4 horses. Let the search begin. And bingo! Winter is coming. So today I'm mucking the far sides of the pastures so everything's nice and clean before the snow. Ah, damn it. The next day, unfortunately, it was still smoky, and you can't work horses in smoky weather because they can get a smoke-related injury in their lungs. So instead, I'm gonna clean a chicken coop today. And as you can see, it's about a foot of just solid shit. Oh no, chickens shed that much. I didn't. So after about 10 Ranger loads, just like these, we could finally see the bottom of it. And we gave them some clean shavings, we put all their toys back in, and with freshly cleaned nesting boxes, the hens are ready to get back in. Let's open the door. You happy, madam? Yes. Awesome. Doesn't look like winter yet, does it? Nope. Yeah, so that was last week, and now I'm freezing my fucking tits off in the morning. Anyway, back to the chicken coop. Let's have a look in their nesting boxes to see if they've laid some eggs. Oh yeah! Gotta make something with this. When in doubt, cookies are the answer, according to Stretch. I'm going to eat these. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!